He said the crown, I'm gonna take it. I like it. KAO DENERO's not afraid to call anyone out. You know, as you guys could tell, he's definitely ready for the smoke, no matter who it is.
You know the vibes. You know the vibes.
Wait. Don't step on my, don't step on my Adidas. I've been riding with the Nina. Big drip, young nigga, I'm the meanest.
What's up guys, Sean Tiaba Reacts, and I'm back with another reaction video. And today, I'll be doing another reaction to KAO DENERO. You know, he just dropped the Chronicles Freestyle Part 2. Let's go and check this out. And thank you guys for all the requests. If you guys want me to react to more stuff, just let me know in the comments below. And we're on the road to 50,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you guys for all the love and support. I really appreciate it. Let's keep grinding, and we'll get there soon. And if you guys want to join the family, it takes less than 1 second. Just to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you guys know when I make a new video. Now let's get on to this reaction. Let's go. Before this video starts, be sure to follow me on Instagram at John_Tayaba for any behind the scenes stuff. Now let's get on to this video.
The Chronicles.
Okay.
The Chronicles. Hey,
Yeah.
The sickest and the toughest. I'm fixing all your problems with all the fake accolades. I can't hear pride getting them trophies.
Okay.
The line, you catch the slide, copy for police when they pass the iron. Booby traps can never catch the lion.
Okay. He said booby traps can never catch a lion. Okay. I like that.
The line, explosive like Sudoku. Before you watch your vocals, trash rappers all around the place. Bro, who else I can go to?
Okay.
Tough when they haul up on them pro tools. The champion, count the legend of the locals.
Okay.
About to go for some. You hot, we told you that. Pop, pop, shots fired. When I hold the Mac.
Okay.
I bet you won't make it. My phone is so sacred. Crown, I'm gonna take it.
He said the crown, I'm gonna take it. Hey, KAO DENERO's aiming for the top. I like it.
Boy, need some beef to fist on. Be on rappers like this one. I'm quick to piss on. They said you never stop beefing another diss song. I'm not the type of MC you take a risk on.
Okay.
I the track for real rap. I bet they're feeling that.
Yeah.
I brought the feeling back.
Yeah, you about to feel him back? Okay. The overhype. Yeah. Okay. Nah. Okay.
Fuck out of describers. Shout out to the writers. I'm like a David.
Okay.
Count on kiss no ass just to be nominated. I cipher his Sonoros.
Hey, he's calling out everyone. He's calling out everyone on this track. I'll mess with it. I like it. I like it.
Hype rappers. Give them a pole, let them dance to the go-go. Yes, I'm testing for clout. Your favorite rapper is my promo. You true hip-hop, that niggas is a no-show.
Oh, okay.
Who's next is who gon' kill? Can we land on it now? I got a football field.
Yeah.
How fast the rap is sound, lukewarm still. System on the ground, or feel the thunder now. The retro people, super new, we never get another count.
Okay.
Digging my tracks, it's saying Biggie is back. I give a goosebumps, a combination of Biggie and Black.
Hey, he said he's a combination of Biggie and Tupac. Hey, I like the confidence. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Hey.
Different caliber, fire spitting with my saliva. Defeating any challenger. I'm just a thug in the office. Screw yourself. Save your awards and your trophies. My niggas is the real dogs. Y'all the puppies. Fuck, word up.
You're the puppies. Okay. Alright guys, so that was it for my reaction. KAO DENERO's not afraid to call anyone out. You know, as you guys can tell, he's definitely ready for the smoke, no matter who it is. You know, I like seeing competition. And also, let me know your favorite bars from this track in the comments below, because I want to know what you guys think, but this was fire. Let me know what you guys thought about it in the comments below. And if you guys want me to react to more stuff, also let me know in the comments below. We're on the road to 50,000 subscribers, guys. Let's keep grinding, and we'll get there soon. And if you guys haven't yet, remember to like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit that bell notification too so you guys know when I make a new video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.
Okay, bye.
Tell me where you wanna go. I'll make you feel comfortable. Baby, let's take off our clothes.